If you're looking for a superfood smoothie recipe, you've got to try this acai smoothie that is vegan, dairy-free, and paleo. With just 5 ingredients, you can make it for an easy breakfast or dessert. Welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie, and I have a master's degree in public health nutrition. I'm also a woman who's been using a real food diet to help manage my autoimmune disease and PCOS. If you're looking for easy gluten-free and dairy-free recipes that are simple and easy to make, then please follow my channel and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever I upload a new video. Now let's jump into this recipe. First, we're going to start off with a base of dairy-free milk. I'm using unsweetened almond milk, and we need about 1 cup. Then we're going to use shredded unsweetened coconut, which adds that tropical flavor and a little bit of richness to our smoothie. And then of course, we're going to use an acai puree packet, and you can find these in the frozen section of your grocery store. Be sure to check the ingredient label to make sure there are no added sugars. You just want 100% pure acai. And the easiest way to get it out of these packets is to use scissors and just cut it in half. It's still frozen, you don't need to defrost it, and then you just squeeze it out of the packet into the blender. It's a little bit messy. Acai berry is a bright purple color. It's so beautiful, but that means it's full of antioxidants and it is a superfood. And be sure to check the link in the description box to get the full recipe with nutrition information. It's all on my website, cleaneatingkitchen.com. I'll also link to this vitamix, which is a refurbished model, and it saved me a ton of money. And just a note, you've probably seen acai mostly in acai bowls, but I really like to make this smoothie because it's easier to drink on the go and it's easier to blend because we have a little bit more liquid. So to add a little bit of sweetness, we are going to add 2 frozen bananas. And if you don't like banana, you could use frozen mango chunks instead. You'll need about 1 cup of mango or 2 frozen bananas. And then we're adding 2 cups of frozen cherries, frozen sweet cherries, or frozen strawberries. If you have a sweet tooth or you're serving this to kids who have a sweet tooth, you could also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, or you could add 1 to 2 pitted dates. And before I blend this, I wanted to ask you if you drink smoothies even when it's cold outside. I do. I mean, I live in California, so it's never really technically cold outside, but I drink them all year round, and I just love smoothies. It's such a great way to get a lot of nutrition in one serving. So now we're going to blend the smoothie, and we will have 2 servings. Let's blend it up. Okay, it blended up perfectly. It is just such a beautiful purple color, and it smells delicious too. If you're wondering what acai tastes like, it is kind of like a mild berry flavor, and mixed with the cherries and the banana, it is really a delicious smoothie. So let's serve it up. The color is just so beautiful purple. I see little flecks of the coconut. Oh, and actually I saved a little tiny bit of coconut to sprinkle on top just to make it look pretty. And let me taste a little bite. This definitely has a tropical flavor from the coconut. It is a mild berry flavor, but it's perfectly sweet. I think you're really gonna love this recipe. I hope you do. And I will link to some of my other favorite dairy-free and vegan-friendly Vitamix recipes. I've created a playlist just for you. I will link that below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.